Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Windows environment and selecting the right path, Legacy Safari or a WebKit substitute. Download the Safari installer or a WebKit build and get a virtualization app or compatibility layer ready. You do this because modern Windows no longer supports Apple's native installers, so an emulation or alternative engine is necessary. Once files are downloaded, keep them in one folder and note any admin credentials you'll need. This prevents pauses when you begin installation. You now install the virtualization app or enable the compatibility layer, provide admin rights and follow prompts. Once the tool is running, create a lightweight VM or sandbox and import the Safari installer or place the WebKit build in its folder. Configure network bridging so Safari can access the internet, set display scaling for readable UI, and register Safari as an optional default for testing. Make sure to install any required runtime libraries. Missing dependencies are the most common blocker during this phase. You finish by launching Safari and verifying core functionality, page rendering, JavaScript behavior, and developer tools if needed. Sync bookmarks or set up extensions where supported. Enable update checks in the VM or app so you receive engine fixes. Once functional, create a restore snapshot for quick rollback. If Safari crashes or pages fail to load, check the VM or compatibility logs. Update the WebKit binary or virtualization tool, and confirm firewall or DNS settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.